Good day, class! Here is the video tutorial on sets based from our module. Now, to introduce you to our lesson, here are the things you are expected to learn and illustrate after this video. As you noticed, there is a box before each number. We are to check these boxes if we were able to discuss them at the end of this video. What are sets? It is an organized collection of objects called elements with common characteristics. It can be described in three ways. First is the written expression or definition. Second is the listing or roster method. And third is the set notation. Now let us try this learning task 1. Identify all the possible answers for the statements below. On your answer sheet, simply list down your answers separated by comma. We have three methods on describing or writing sets. First is the written expression or definition. Second is the listing or roster method. And third is the set notation. We have 5 examples here, all written using the methods mentioned earlier. For letter A, by definition, we have the set of primary colors. By listing, we have red, yellow, and blue, all separated by comma. For set notation, we can have set A is equal to open brace, red, yellow, and blue, close brace. Example B. The set of even numbers less than 11 by definition. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 separated by comma is by listing. For set notation, we have set B is equal to open brace 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 close brace. Letter C. By definition, the set of vowel letters. By listing A, E, I, O, U. By set notation, set C is equal to open brace A, E, I, O, U close brace. Letter D. The set of grade levels in junior high school. By listing G7, G8, G9, and G10 all separated by comma. By set notation, we have set B is equal to open brace G7, G8, G9, and G10 close brace. Last example, letter E. By definition, the sets of letters from the alphabet. By listing, we have A, B, C, D, E, up to Y and Z, all separated by comma. By set notation, we have set E is equal to open brace A, B, C, D, E, up to Y and Z, close brace. To further discuss, let us have these examples. Set A with elements 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Set B with elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Using methods definition, listing or roster method, and set notation, here are the answers for set A. By definition, it is the set of even numbers from 4 to 12. By listing or roster method, we have 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. By set notation, we have set A is equal to open brace 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 close brace. While for set B, by definition, the set of counting numbers from 1 to 6. By listing or roster method, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. By set notation, we have set B is equal to open brace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, close brace. Another example, we have set C that has no element. By definition, it is a null set or an empty set. By roster, since it is empty, there are no elements listed. While for set notation, we write it as set C is equal to open brace, no elements, close brace, or open brace /0, close brace. Example, set D. By definition, it is the set of factors of 18. By listing or roster method, we have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. By set notation, we have set D is equal to open brace 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, close brace. Now let us try to describe the subset and the universal set on the figure given here in the illustrative example 2. By definition, our set U or the universal set is the set of numbers from 1 to 10. By listing or roster method, we have the elements or the objects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 all separated by comma. For the set notation, we have U is equal to open brace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, close brace. While for the subset, which is the set Q, by definition, it is the set of even numbers from 1 to 10. By listing or roster method, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 all separated by comma. For set notation, we have Q is equal to open brace 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, close brace. Illustrative example 3. Use the diagram below to answer the questions that follow. Given the universal set with subsets A and B and elements 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 14, 20, 21, 23. Let us have question number 1. What elements are found in the union of A and B? Answer. Since A is equal to the elements 2, 4, 6, 11, 14, and 20, and B is equal to the elements 4, 5, 7, 14, 20, 21, and 23. Thus, A union B is equal to the elements 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 14, 20, 21, and 23. The union is simply the combination of all the elements present on the given set. Number 2 question. What is the cardinality of the union of A and B? Answer. There are 10 elements found in the union of set A and B, or can be written as N quantity A union B is equal to 10. Cardinality is the number of elements present in the given set. Question number 3. What elements are found in the intersection of A and B? A intersection B is equal to the elements 4, 14, and 20. These are the common elements found in both A and B. Number 4 question. What is the cardinality of the intersection of A and B? The intersection of sets A and B has 3 elements for N. Quantity A intersection B is equal to 3. Last question number 5. What are the elements of A prime of B prime? A prime is equal to the elements 5, 7, 21, and 23, while B prime is equal to the elements 2, 6, and 11. The symbol prime means the elements outside the given set. Illustrative example 4. Given A is equal to elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and B is equal to elements 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, find A minus B and B minus A. First, to find the difference of A minus B, we begin by taking away every element of A that is also an element of B. So, since A is equal to the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and B has the elements 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, then elements from A common to B are the elements 4, 5, and 6. Therefore, we have to remove these elements from A. Thus, A minus B is equal to the elements 1, 2, and 3. Likewise, since A is equal to the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and B is equal to the elements 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and the elements from B common to A are elements 4, 5, and 6. Therefore, we have to remove these elements from B. Thus, B minus A is equal to the elements 7, 8, 9, and 10. To summarize, here are the terms and their definition based from our discussions. First, set. It is a well-defined collection of different objects. Any objects such as numbers, people, letters of the alphabet, and symbols can make up a set. It is composed of objects called elements. Subset. It is a set whose elements are members of another set. Universal set. It contains all the elements being considered in a given situation. Null set. It is an empty set. It has no element. The null set is a subset of any set. It can be written as open brace, space, close brace, or an open brace, slashed 0, close brace. Union of sets. The sets of all elements found in both sets. The union of A and B, or written as A, U, B, and read as A union B, is the set of all elements found to either of the sets or in both. It is the result of adding or combining the elements of two or more sets. Intersection of sets. The intersection of A and B, written as A intersection B, is the set of all elements common to B and A. Sets with no common elements are called disjoint sets. Complement of set A, written as and read as A prime. It is the sets of elements that are not in set A but in the universal set. Cardinality of set. It is the number of elements contained or present in set. Difference of two sets. It is written as A minus B, depends upon the name of the given set. It is the set of all elements of A that are not elements or cannot be found in B. Now let us try to check the boxes of the topics given during the introduction that we were able to discuss. Number 1, sets. Check. Number 2, subsets. Check. Number 3, universal sets. Check. Number 4, null set. Check. Number 5, cardinality of sets. Check. Number 6, union and intersection of sets. Check. Last, number 7, difference of two sets. Check. Congratulations, class, and thank you for watching. Happy solving!